What'd you get? 3 orders?
Yeah.
All right. I think we're hungry enough.
32?
We're at our Chinese restaurant again.
Here, plates out. That's stuff. That's chicken. That's young. And it's already got the gravy on it.
All right,
This
that's
is
fine.
sweet and sour chicken.
Soup. Mustard.
Got wonton soup, mustard.
Rice.
Oh, good.
Rice.
We got rice in here.
That's over there.
Gravy, and then my food.
That's your-
Well, my favorite
Share it
anyway.
with
Do
him.
we have a forks?
Yeah, they're inside that little bag near you.
This one?
No, no,
Chicken.
I made a mistake.
Lemaine. Oh, and then we got egg foo young. So we got egg foo young,
Egg for y'all.
wonton soup,
We got soup over here.
chicken lemaine, and chicken sweet and sour. And we're gonna eat.